Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Nubia Redmagic 7, and now I will show you how to fix your USB charging port, how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Firstly, you need to remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are trying to pry this out. Firstly, you need to take the cover off and insert one part of the brush into your connector. Then just pry the dirt out from your device. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!